The profit and loss statement is one of the best tools to evaluate how your Amazon business did last year compared to this year. It's a great tool to have, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use it on JungleScout. If you stay until the end of the video, I'm also going to be showing you every tool that JungleScout offers. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So I use JungleScout, Helium 10, AMZ Scout, Smart Scout, and a few other tools. And JungleScout has one of the cleanest and best profit organization tools out there to show you how much profit you're actually making on Amazon. And they have profit loss statement and much more. So let's go in. So if you go to JungleScout right here, you're going to see the manage products and you're going to see the product costs and settings. This is where you plug in all of your product costs. So if I'm selling this item, it's like a Dragon Ball Z item on Amazon. You can see, you can put in your cost per unit, your shipping cost per unit, any costs, and then you need to sync it. Once you sync it, you can also go into settings and sync all of your Amazon ads for that product and or for all of your products. Once you have this data in, after 24 hours, JungleScout is going to fully sync all of the data and then pull out an exact profit sheet. How much is Amazon charging you? How many refunds did you get? All of that fun stuff. And what you can do is go to analytics and performance and go to profit and loss statement. And then once you go here, it's literally going to show you your profit and loss, which is awesome. Now we're looking at the last 30 days. So this is December 13th to January 11th, right? But not only are we looking at this year, we're looking at last year too. So November 13th to December 12th and December 13th to January 11th, 2025. What's the difference, right? And we can see in November 13th to December 12th in 2024, right? Made $46,000 in sales. And then right now it is decreasing in the last 30 days. And we can see the difference. We can see the refunds. Last month there was less refunds, but now there's more refunds. And we can kind of analyze the data. We can also look at it more and go through the entire year. Last year, let's go to last year and then see more data. So if we just look at January 1st to December 31st, you can see how much sales we got, how many refunds we got, $8,000 in refunds. This is a great time to look and say, okay, what's the refund percentage of all of our products that we sold? How do we decrease the refunds? What were the refund reasons? Can we go back into Amazon and look at that? This is important data for you to improve your business, right? There's also ways that we did for one of our clients recently is we removed the option to even have a refund. So if you go to this product right here, it says non-returnable. And now technically, if all your products are non-returnable, it is going to decrease the amount of refunds that the customers can get by a significant amount, right? So seeing if your product is eligible for that and then trying to get all of your listings to have that non-refund way on Amazon. Promo rebates. What promo rebates did we do that cost $2,000? Come on, like what the heck, right? And then we can look at the unit costs, the FBA inbound shipping. Wow, we spent $3,000 on inbound shipping. That's crazy. How do we decrease that, right? Order fees, you can't decrease that really, but you can also talk to Amazon and say, hey, if we're selling this product, I want you guys to remeasure and reweigh it. You can create your packaging, make your packaging smaller. That's going to save you money. Each and every penny counts. We did that for a client. We redid the packaging, then we contacted Amazon to remeasure and reweigh the packaging, and then they saved an extra $5,000 a year, which is a significant amount of money, right? So going through this is really a great way to see, and you can also come to the bottom and see your net margin. What's your net margin? And right, anything above 20% is usually pretty decent, but anything in the 40%, 60% area or above that is considered amazing. And that's a great time if you wanted to sell your company and you can see how your company health is doing. This is a great tool to do it. Now, again, I've used almost every single profit tool out there, and Fetcher is the best. So if you ever went to Fetcher, and if you're an OG Amazon seller, Fetcher was the best profit analysis tool, and then JungleScout came in and purchased Fetcher, and that's why JungleScout now has a profit tool. Now, Fetcher was the best, JungleScout is number 2. Fetcher's not even here anymore, so JungleScout's automatically number 1. Helium 10 has one, AMZ Scout has something like it, there's Smart Scout, something like it, but again, for the cleanliness, the organization, how nice JungleScout is, it is one of the best tools. If you found a better tool, do comment below because I would love to hear it and try it out. Now, of course, we're going to be going through all of the tools that JungleScout offers, and this is because you stayed towards the end of the video. So if you go into JungleScout, they have an academy tool, so they kind of train you on how to sell on Amazon, developer tool for developing different types of tools for JungleScout. I think this is more for if you are a developer and you want to start changing things. An extension, they have the JungleScout extension, which is great. Manage products, so listing builder, FBA reimbursements, inventory manager. This is where you put your product and costs in so you can get accurate profit and loss data. Analytics and performance, this is your profit overview, your P&L statement, other transactions, ad analytics to see how your ads are doing. Review automation, keyword optimization. You have your keyword scout, keyword list, keyword rank tracker, suppliers, supplier database, supplier tracker, product research database, opportunity finder, product tracker, category trends, sales estimator, and of course they have been implementing AI, which isn't like fully out yet, but that's going to be out soon. So a lot of different products. Also, if you wanted to get started on JungleScout, there is a link in the description that should be giving you a little bit of a discount. It's to help me, to help you. It's a win-win in my book. So check that out in the description if you did want to try out JungleScout. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing your sales on Amazon, getting reimbursements, or anything Amazon in general, this is what we specialize in. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description where you can reach out to us or even schedule a call right away. And our #1 service is our full A to Z management service. We'll come in, we'll do a whole phase plan, look at your entire account, all of your products, and have a step-by-step process on how we're going to increase your sales. Then we implement them and our team works on your designs, your first image, your secondary image, A+ content, brand story, title, customer service, calling Amazon. Everything is included. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.